Hi everyone, in this video I'll share with you how to detox your liver. Liver is a very underrated organ. We don't appreciate it that much because we don't know what it does for us. So your liver is like a big brother, and whenever you eat food and that food has toxins or fungus in them, your liver is the first one that comes to you and will protect you from that toxin or that fungus. But what do we do to support that liver, or what do we do to support our big brother? We keep on eating and eating and eating. We overeat a lot, and because of that your liver is not able to handle so many toxins. And because it is not able to handle so many toxins, you get various signs, such as you can get bad breath, white coating on your tongue, bitter taste in your mouth, if you're getting abdomen pain or gas, pimples on your skin. Now what can you do to support your liver? What you can do is, by eating good food, you can help your liver, and I have shared with you 2 recipes that will help in detoxing your liver from the toxins. So the first recipe is beetroot raita. Take grated beetroot, curry leaves, chopped green chilies. Then take 1 cup of curd, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, jeera, mustard seeds, some curry leaves and green chilies. After they are done, add turmeric to it and add beetroot and stir fry that beetroot. After that you can add salt. Stir fry it for 4 to 5 minutes, and after it's done, cool down your beetroot. When it's cooled down, you can add curd, and your beetroot raita is ready. Second recipe is cabbage curry. Cabbage, it helps in the production of glutathione, which is a powerful liver detoxification agent, and it helps in the production of detoxification enzymes. And for this you need to take 1 tablespoon of ghee, add jeera or cumin seeds to it, then add chopped onions and add cabbage and all the masala. You can take both beetroot raita as well as cabbage curry, and you can have it with chapati for your lunch, for your dinner, whatever suits you. And this food really helps your liver also.